Right, today is December 12th, 2023. This is the BYOB Market Wrap Up with John Kerrigan. That's me. Let's go take a look at some charts. So here's SPY. We'll take a SPY on the daily chart. You can see here's SPY putting in another green candle with another higher low and a higher high, spiking the top side of the channel up there. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. SPY very bullish. That's a new yearly high for the SPY, 464. So SPY making higher lows, higher highs. Here's the last high, new higher high. So SPY in a daily uptrend. QQQ. QQQ couldn't quite make new yearly highs today, but it did make new yearly highs earlier, a couple weeks ago. All right, wait. Q, Q, Q. Let's try it again. QQQ making new highs today for the year. All right, up to attacking the prior highs right up here. So there's QQQ attacking those prior highs. QQQ daily price action, higher low, higher high. Everything up over the trend indicator. Nice work on the QQQ. Let's take a look at FNGU. I'm going to say it probably looks the same, and it does. So here's FNGU putting in, inked out a higher high than what it previously had. So FNGU puts in a higher low and a higher high. It's not taking out the yearly highs up there or the all-time highs, which are way up here. So FNGU inking out new yearly, not yearly highs, but new highs compared to what it did 3 weeks ago right there. So it's attacking these highs over here. That's FNGU. All right, let's take a look at IWM. IWM in an uptrend, producing higher lows and higher highs and higher lows and higher highs. Today's price action. Notice the low of the body closed up, so that's a good sign. So it opened higher and traded up to yesterday's body close and left us with a little wick up there. The low was a lower low and the high was an equal high. So there's IWM, still in a daily uptrend. Diamond Dow. Diamond Dow puts in a higher low and a higher high into attacking the all-time highs over here on the left made at the beginning of 2022 right there. So Diamond Dow trying to knock off the all-time high right here. Diamond Dow in a daily uptrend. Here's the high. Here's higher highs. No consolidation here in Diamond Dow. XLF. These are our financials. Financials doing the same thing today. Okay, higher high and a higher low in a daily uptrend, obviously making higher highs. XLF doing all the right stuff there, attacking prior highs for 2023 right there. Hasn't quite made it yet, but definitely attacking that area. IYT, transports. Transports attacking, not quite there yet. Got a little bit more work to do on the transports. Transports in a daily uptrend. Here's the last high, making a higher high. Today's price action, higher low, higher high, running the 3 EMA right there. SMH. SMH running the 3 EMA as well. SMH inking out new all-time highs for the SMH right there. This is the all-time high before. This is the new all-time high. Not just for this year, for all time. So SMH putting in a higher low and a higher high. Nice job on the SMH. So tech is leading the way here. Let's take a look at silver. Silver kind of putting in consolidation. With a slightly lower high and a slightly lower low. So silver consolidating here at the 2070 level. Let's put those channels back in, see where we are. So it's kind of consolidating in the same place it consolidated before. Almost down to the prior lows, which is 2015, 2012 down there. So that's about 70 cents away right there. Sorry, silver. Silver giving us a really nice deep buy setup down here at 2084 today. So there's silver. Let's take a look at gold. Gold giving us a deep buyback as well. Nice buy setup on gold, coming all the way through the minor support, almost into challenging some of the major support down here. Gold in a daily uptrend, same as silver, higher lows and higher highs. Go back to silver. You can see higher lows and higher highs. Let's take a look at UNG. Oh my goodness. UNG looks like it inked out. It's off the charts. Have to lift the chart up to see how low it went. So UNG goes all the way down to 450 again. So UNG stuck in the mud down here at 450, making new all-time lows in a daily downtrend with lower highs and lower lows. USO. USO puts in a new recent low. All right, so here was the move up. Here's the head and shoulders, left shoulder, right shoulder, head, making lower highs and lower lows and lower highs and lower lows. Today's price action, lower high and a lower low. So USO back into the consolidation. This would be the minor support of this consolidation right through there. So you can see those wicks that stick up. So USO at probably down there at 64, 63.83 today. So USO in a downtrend. Let's take a look at the dollar index. And the dollar index still hovering around the 103.50, 103.75 level. So we got FOMC tomorrow. Tomorrow at 2 o'clock. 2:30 we're going to have a little press statement. We'll see what happens. See if the Grinch comes out or if reality comes out or what happens. All right. See if we get a rate cut or probably just hold firm. We'll see what happens. But anyways, here's the dollar consolidating right over the flat 200, right around 103.75. So there's US dollar. For the economic calendar, I'll return again. Here we are. PPI tomorrow morning at 8:30. 2 o'clock is the FOMC announcement. 2:30 is their little commentary. Earnings. Earnings for tonight are, we're going to have BHP is going to report sometime, supposedly today. Tomorrow, we got Adobe's going to report in the evening. That's $2.75 billion. And then Costco, $2.75 billion. It's going to report also on Thursday evening. So we'll see what happens there. And if we look at our technicals for today, let's look at a T2122. So for the technicals, we started out with a bounce down, bounced up, made a lower high there, made a lower low, made a higher low there and a lower high. And then we produced a higher high right there. And you can see we got a pull down right here. So we'll see what happens. If that's going to create another higher low, and we'll bounce right back up into the buy zone. We'll see what happens tomorrow. So where are we for the SPY is, let's look at the SPY in, let me just review it real quick. And we'll take a look at, I can ask you right there. You can see the SPY looking for those channels. There they are. So there's the SPY spiking the upside of that channel up there. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. So in the aftermarket hours, we'll see what we got there. And for the aftermarket, where's SPY at? SPY is up at 464.39. So see, all right. I'll see a lot of you tonight at 8 p.m. All right. We're going to do position management. All right. And if not, I don't see you tonight at 8. It'll be recorded. The rest of you, I'll see you at 8 tomorrow morning. All right. Everybody have a wonderful evening. Thanks for being here.